If you want to upgrade RAM in your PC or laptop, it is very necessary to know about the maximum RAM supporting capacity of your computer. Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to know the maximum RAM capacity of your computer. For this, press the Windows plus R key simultaneously, then type CMD and press enter. And here you just type WMIC space MEM physical altogether, then space get, then space max capacity, as you can see on your screen, and press the enter key. Then you get RAM capacity in kilobytes. Now you have to change this number into gigabytes. So open the calculator and we are going to do some calculations. Let's enter the numbers in our calculator, which is showing on your screen. In my case, it is 16777,216. Now you are going to divide this by 1024. Then you divide the result again by another 1024 for the second time. Then the result is the magical number or your RAM capacity. So the result is the maximum capacity of your laptop. So in my case, it is 16, which means that the maximum capacity of my laptop is 16 gigabytes. So whatever you have, if you have 8, it means that it is 8 gigabytes. But in my case here, it is 16 gigabytes. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video.